Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Microsoft account credentials so you can force sign-outs. Open account. Microsoft. Com on a browser or the Xbox app, this gives you device-level control. Once signed in, go to More Security options and choose Sign Out of Everywhere or change your password. Doing this logs your account off other consoles because they need the new token. It's faster than remote full resets and reduces the risk of lingering access while you proceed to targeted console removals. Now focus on the specific console you want to clear. You can remove the profile directly under Settings, Account, Remove Accounts. Pick the profile and confirm removal. If you cannot reach the console physically, change your account password first and then remove the profile remotely by revoking sign-in or ask someone at the console to complete the removal and reboot. Make sure to clear saved passwords in sign-in options so the console won't auto-sign back in once it reconnects. Finish by verifying the console no longer appears in your Microsoft account's device list. This confirms remote deauthorization. If the profile still acts signed in, perform a local cache clear or a factory reset on that console to remove stored tokens and profiles. Once done, make sure to change your password and enable two-step verification to prevent re-entry. If someone else still has access, revoke app passwords and reissue credentials. This eliminates any leftover authentication and secures your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.